April 29th, 2019. It's a Monday. We're going to see if they can actually work on me with the hiccups. We're not sure yet. I just took some x-ray. That wasn't very easy to do, but...